Hello, welcome to my channel Jahangir'S Science School. Today I am going to demonstrate an experiment related with electromagnetic induction. Look at this one is a battery casing. There are two 1.5 voltage battery. Battery supply DC current, direct current. DC means direct current. Direct current means if the direction of the current remains same for a long period of time is called direct current. So steady current, direct current. Say there is a coil of wire, copper coil wound over a plastic casing. We know when electric current, direct current flowing through this copper wire, then a magnetic field is produced like a bar magnet. There is another coil here. This coil, there is no battery or current source. There is a galvanometer here. Galvanometer is a device which can identify the presence of current or voltage in an electric circuit. So there is no power supply here. Look at the circuit here. It is a closed loop coil. When this coil goes there is no current. Look at the galvanometer here. There is no current induced. When we apply direct current to this coil of wire or solenoid, then this coil now magnetized because here circuit is complete, so this coil becomes magnetized. When this electromagnet move towards the coil, then look there produces a magnetic induced current or voltage. So amount of induced current depends on the rate of flow of movement of the magnet or electromagnet. Also depends on the number of turns in the closed loop coil. Number of turns. There are a lot of turns in the coil. So this is called electromagnetic induction. The process of producing an induced current or voltage in a closed loop coil or circuit by the help of a magnetic field or an electromagnet is called electromagnetic induction. So here induced current or voltage is produced due to the magnetic field. So when we look at the diagram, look at the circuit, galvanometer, look at the galvanometer deflects. Why deflects? Because this electromagnet, this coil of wire produces a magnetic field. When the magnetic line of force intersect with the coil of wire, then there produces an induced voltage or current.